Welcome to Best Academic TV. Now, in this video, we'll be treating more on product rule of differentiation. And again, I'll show you guys some shortcuts on how to differentiate product rule called the C plus CD method. I call it CD plus DC method. Okay. Now, again, I told you guys method of differentiation. I told you guys that whenever you want to differentiate, you identify the function, you use the method to differentiate that. And we have general method. We have treated general method by monomial. We have treated general method by polynomial. We have a chain rule. And I told you guys the functions under chain rules. And again, either I call it chain rule or I call it composite method. And then we want to treat product rule. Now, in terms of product rule here, I'll tell you some mistakes some students also make and also how to correct those mistakes. Now, if I have a function like this, let's see, if I have a function like this, that is y is equal to u of x, v of x. Now, the function being, listen, the function being in product does not make it to be product rule. Let's take it. Now, there are two criteria, there are two conditions for it to be a perfect product rule. For it to be a perfect product rule, the first one, the two functions have to be products. The second, the two functions have to have a common letters. So this is S here, the function of this is S, the function of this is S2. So if I have something like this, maybe I have 2 sine S. This is product, but it might not use product rule here. You can just differentiate this guy and get your answer to be what? 2 cos S. But if I have something like this, 2x sine S here, yes, this is in product and the two functions have the same letter. That means I can use product here. Please take note of this. So what would be my derivative of a product rule? Whenever a function, listen to me, whenever a function is written in this format here, it means that it's a product rule. I told you guys the conditions. So what will be my derivative of a product rule here? So our dy over dx will be equal to v du over what? dx plus u dv over what? dx. Please take it. So the dy dx of the product we say to be v du dx plus u dv dx. So we are going to know how to get du dx. We are going to know how to get dv dx and all. So let's solve some questions here in terms of product rule. Let's take some examples here. Alright, and let's solve this example here. Number 1, given that y is equal to s of 3 plus 2x in closed brackets, s squared minus 4s in closed bracket. Find the derivative of y with respect to s. So let's solve this question here. Look where it's looking like this function here, u of s, v of s. Some part is taking u of s, some part is taking u of s. So let's try to position this here. Our u of s part here, the one taken as u of s here, u of s part is said to be s is equal to 3 plus 2s. Now, either I call it u of s or you say u, it's in the same thing. Now, if I want to get the u dx here, I will differentiate this guy here. So let me get the u over dx. So let's differentiate this guy here. This is going to be 3s squared plus what? 2. This take it. So the same thing here, the one standing as v of s is this guy here. Please take note. So let's get v of s here. V of s is said to be s squared minus 4s. Let's get the v ds. The v ds means that I'm going to differentiate this guy here. So our dv over dx will be equal to 2x minus 4. Please remember that this is just like polynomial. Then take power down to the base, subtract 1 from 8. You are going to get this guy here. There's an invisible one here. You take this one here down to the base, subtract 1 from 8. It's going to be 1 times 4 is 4. S is equal to 0. And anything raised to 0 is 1. Please take it. So this is our u of s. We have gotten u of s. We have differentiated that you get the u ds. We have gotten v of s. Differentiate that you get what? The v ds. So let's try to replace them into this formula here. So remember that the y ds for product is said to be v du ds plus what? U dv ds. These parameters here are complete. V is given, u is given, the u ds is given, the v ds is given. So replacing this, the y over the x will be equal to plus. What's my v? I call it v or the s, it's the same thing. That is s raised to 2 minus 4x. What's my du ds? The u ds is said to be 3s squared plus 2. Please take note plus. The plus is this one here. Let's replace our u or u of s. What is u of s is s raised to 3 plus 2s into, let's replace our dvds. What's our dvds here? 2s minus 4. Please take it. So the next thing here is to evaluate this. In mathematics, whenever you see brackets, first of all you open the bracket before you get to the next level. So let's try to open this bracket here. Alright, now let's use our shortcut method here to solve the ds in terms of product rule. I call it CD and DC method. The shortcut is CD plus DC method. Please take it. CD plus DC method. Now let's use CD plus DC method to solve this. Now, first of all, this product here, so let's use CD plus DC method here. Now, what does it mean here? It means that the first letter here is CD. What does it mean for C? C means if a particular letter constant differentiates the neighbor. Please take note. Why this one differentiates this guy here, keep this one constant. Please take note. So let's try to apply here. So our dy over ds will be equal to, let's apply CD plus DC. C means keep this guy constant, keep it the way it is. That's what? 3s. Now differentiate the next, that is this guy here. To differentiate exponential means differentiate what is at the top here. I'll take it and repeat the function. This is going to be times 3 exponential 3s plus, that is this plus here. Now let's do the next one, differentiate and keep this one constant. Differentiate is now, what is the answer? 3. Keep this guy the way it is. What is the answer? Exponential 3s. Now let's simplify. This is going to be equal to 9s exponential 3s plus what? 3 exponential what? 3s. So this is my answer here. Now since addition is commutative, what does it mean? It means that if I say 3 plus 3, 3 plus 2 is the same as what? 2 plus 3. So the same thing here, if I have my answer to be 3 exponential 3s plus 9s exponential 3s is the same thing. Please take note of this. Okay, thank you so much.